Good morning, litterants. Once again, welcome in enjoying grammar class. So, today we are going to revise some portion which we have already studied. So, for that, open your enjoying grammar book. Let's come to the index. Whenever you open any chapter, first go open the index. Okay. So this is your contents, or we can say index of this contents of the book. So all of you just see this revision paper 1. Whatever you have studied till now, we will revise that. For that, just open revision paper 1, page number 27. Let's go to the 27, page number 27. So this is your revision paper. First exercise, before starting the exercise, just mention the date, today's date. Today is 19 September 9th month and year is 2020. So this is the format, how to write. Everybody knows how to write date and which day is today. Today is Saturday. So write here Saturday. Okay. Now come to exercise 1. All of you know what are nouns, proper nouns and common nouns. Okay. So in this exercise, let's read the instruction, what is given and what we have to do. हमें क्या करना है और क्या इसमें लिखा है. Write 2 proper nouns you know of for these common nouns. Right? What you have to write? These are common nouns. What is given? Common nouns. And what you have to write? You have to write proper noun. Okay? So 2 proper nouns you have to write for the common noun. Okay. So first one is language. Right? Language could be any language. Commonly we can say language, and language can be a specific language. Hindi, English, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi. So you can write a specific or proper noun. Whenever we write in English, we must write on the top of the line. So here I am completing this column. You will complete one. I am doing for you. Another column you will do yourself. Okay. So first one, language. Language. Example of any particular language. As we know that proper noun specifies a particular thing. जैसे अगर हम किसी का नाम नेम बोलते हैं तो नेम could be any, right? When we say Varnika, it is a proper noun. Vanika, it is a proper noun. Vanshita, it is a proper noun, right? Dev, it is a proper noun. When we say name, it is a common noun. So name could be any. So here we are talking about language. Language कोई सी भी हो सकती है. मराठी, हिंदी, संस्कृत, पंजाबी, तेलुगु, तमिल, असमीज, है ना. तो here we will write, I am writing here Hindi, right? So here you will write yourself, you will complete it. Day. Day is a common noun. So there are how many days in a week? All of you know. Very good. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So you can write a specific day. That is a proper noun. So here today is Saturday. So I am writing Saturday. Okay. Now next is river. All of you know river, right? So rivers, India is There are many rivers, गंगा, यमुना, ब्रह्मपुत्र, अलकनंदा. उत्तराखंड में पानी किससे आता है? अलकनंदा से. We live in Uttarakhand. So here very simple, and this is Ganga river. Okay, Ganga is a river. Book, any book, you can write name of any book, right? It could be any holy book, like the holy books of Hindus is Gita, Quran. Muslims believe in Quran. The holy book of Muslims is Quran, and for Sikh it is Guru Granth Sahib, right? So there are many books. You can write any name. Girl, so you can write name of any girl. You can write your name, Varnika. You can write Varanya. You can write Mansi. You can write Manvi. You can write Tejaswini. So many names of the girl. So proper noun and common noun, you can do it yourself. Okay. Now come to exercise 2. Exercise 2 is underline the common noun and circle the proper noun. Just we have studied what is common noun, what are proper noun. You have studied earlier also. Proper noun किसी particular person, place, thing और animal का नाम. ठीक है, name of a person, place, thing, animal, that is proper noun. And when we say, you know that a common noun is a name for a person, a place or animal or a thing, that is common noun. And proper noun is a special name or a particular name for a person, place, animal or thing, right? If we say city, city could be any, right? That is common noun. If I say Rudrapur, that is a proper noun. We are talking about a particular or a special name. Okay, so in this exercise what you have to do, you have to underline the common noun, and circle the proper noun. Let's read the first sentence. My mother baked a cake this morning. My mother baked a cake this morning, right? So mother, you can, what you have to do, underline the common noun. So mother is a common noun. Cake is also a noun, that is common noun. Strawberry cake, chocolate cake, that would be proper noun. So here the cake is a common noun. Okay, come to the next statement, next sentence. The children were in class when it started to rain. The children were in class when it started to rain. So here what is noun? Children, class. Okay, children, there are number of children, so children is a common noun, and class is also a common noun, right? If I say class 1, class 2, class 3, so that could be a specific. So these two sentences I have done. Rest you will do yourself. For any assistance, for any query, you can call me between 6 to 8 p.m. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.